Hello YouTube, this is Biker Gunda and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is February 26, 2021 and me and my friends are riding from Mangaluru till Gokarna. We are planning to do the entire coastline of the Karnataka. That means from Mangaluru to Karwar. We're gonna explore all the beaches which comes on the way, all the famous beaches and unexplored places around these areas. And I'm gonna vlog it and put on this channel. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Right now the time is 6:15 and it is still a little dark. So I don't think you can see much on the GoPro, so I will continue once the sun rises. And with our first amazing place to visit near Mangalore. Stay tuned. So the time is 7 a.m. and the sun is rising, and you can see how the weather is. It's all fogged up. Beautiful morning, isn't it? So we are almost nearing Mulki, and before Mulki I am going to take you to one place called Kolachi Kamla, which is a very beautiful place which comes few kilometers before Mulki. We have to take one left turn. From there we can go to that place called Kolachi Kamla. So this is the turn I was talking about. We have to take a left turn here, which will take us to the Kolachi Kamla. We can find this Bharat Petroleum. This turn comes before that. This place is like little backwaters kind of place. The one river which joins the sea in the end of this road. And also there is one kayaking point here. You can do the kayaking. You can see the water both sides. There's one small dam over here. This is to control the salt water getting mixed to the river. So this is the place which over there. Kolachi Kamla. So we are gonna go near the dam now to click some photos. So if you are from Mulki or Mangalore, do visit this place around evening time. It will be best. So we finished clicking photos and all, and the same road will join the Mulki city, so we're gonna continue in the same road. So if you're traveling in this highway, you can take this detour and you're gonna love it. And this is the kayaking point. I don't know which brand, but there is one kayaking spot here, so you can spend some time in the water doing kayaking. They also have overnight stay options, I guess. So we are back on the highway. So we are gonna go to the Hajamadi beach now, which comes between Mulki and Padubidri. We are right on the Hajamadi Kodi Raste, which to reach here you have to take a left turn after the toll gate. This will go to the end point of the Hajamadi beach.
After that Padubidri can't go there.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ramasara. Never ending 1 kilometer mountain. Sunset anga best. Jana not. Oh.
Sunrise. Kartas. This is Hajamadi beach. That is Padubidri. So we finished the Hajamadi beach and it's time for breakfast, so we are heading towards Padubidri. The time is 7:30 now and it's time for breakfast, and when you are visiting so many beautiful places you also need beautiful breakfast. So we are gonna go to a place called Lakshmi Janardhan Hotel, which is famous for its kappa roti, which is kind of a dosa but a little bit thick and tasty, and they serve it with the chicken curry or veg curry. That's the one of the yummiest food I have ever had in my life, so I'm gonna go there now to have my breakfast, and I'll show you in a clip how it looks. So you have to take a U-turn if you're coming from Mangalore. If you're coming from Udupi side, you can find the hotel on the left side. You can recognize it by so many trucks parking beside that hotel. So this is the Lakshmi Janardhan Hotel. So let's go inside and have the So we have finished the breakfast. It was delicious. Right now we are heading towards Udupi. And if you guys are going to Udupi from Mangalore and you are bored with the road, you can take the Mattu beach road from Kattapadi. The road is just beautiful. That road will reach to Malpe directly with a view. You get to see beach on the left side and river on the right side. It's a beautiful place. We're gonna go from the same route. I will show you how it looks. So we decided to ditch the highway and go from the road which is adjacent to the beaches. So we took a left turn from Kapu to reach the Kapu beach. So from Kapu beach till Malpe we are going to go by the beach roads, the famous Kapu beach. If you want to visit Kapu beach, you have to come here. This is a parking area and you have to walk a few hundred meters to reach the beach. In Kapu beach you also have the lighthouse. In evening they let you go up the lighthouse and watch the view from there after 4 p.m. maybe. So if you're visiting Kapu beach, come in the evening so that you can enjoy the view from the lighthouse. Check this junction. This is the exact copy of the Kapu lighthouse. We are near the Mattu beach. Mattu beach comes in the Katapadi area. If you're coming from highway, you have to take a left turn from Katapadi junction. You will reach this beautiful beach. Look at the color of the water, so blue. This road will give you the feeling of Kerala, like coconut trees, beaches, backwaters. So this is the Mattu beach. There is one island over there. I don't know it is visible or not in the GoPro. That island is called St. Mary's Island, which is the best picnic spot. You can spend the whole day there exploring the island. It is called St. Mary's Island. To reach there you have to go to Malpe port. From there you have to buy a ticket and there is a boat service to go to the island and come back. So this is the bridge which connects to Malpe Bandar. Check out the boats which are parked in the Bandar. Malpe port. The new port also, all the boats will be parked in this area. So we are back on the boring highway. So we're gonna continue till Kundapur on the same highway. After that we will take detour again to explore some new places. So the time is 9:30 and we have reached Kundapura. So we are going to this bridge right now. The bridge is called Kudru Kudru beach something. It is in very interesting location, so we are planning to explore that place. Let's continue. When you come from Kundapura, you have to take this left turn. There's a board saying Kannada Kudru. Kundapura's Kudru Bridge. Beautiful. Yeah. This is the Marvante beach. Interior roads of Marvante. This road goes to the Marvante Bandar. You can see there the boats are parked. Damn, look at the color of the water. So